In this video, I'll walk you through the process of getting started with VenueBoost and showcase some of our key features. Let's dive in. To get started, head over to our website at venueboost.io and click on the Unlock Free Plan button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your full name and your email address to get started. Once you've filled in the required information, click Start Registration to proceed. Next, after you have confirmed your email, you'll be guided through a quick onboarding process where you can provide more details about your venue, such as your location, type of venue, any specific challenges you're facing, whether you have an active social media presence, the number of employees you have, and your venue's annual revenue. We require this information to ensure that we recommend a plan that aligns perfectly with your business needs. Don't worry if you don't have all the information handy. You can always update your profile later. Based on the information you've provided, we will recommend the most suitable VenueBoost plan for your business. If you're not ready to make a decision just yet, you can always start with our Discover plan, which is free of charge. After completing the initial setup, you will be redirected to your VenueBoost Admin Panel. This command center provides access to all the features and tools necessary for managing your venue effectively. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a convenient sidebar menu with navigation links to essential functions such as your reservations, inventory, staff management, marketing, and analytics. To begin managing your reservations, navigate to the Reservations section in the left sidebar menu. This action will take you to your reservation dashboard, where you can view current and upcoming reservations, review past reservations for reference, get an overview of your reservations using the convenient calendar view. In addition to reservations made through VenueBoost, you can easily add reservations from other sources, such as Google, email, phone, or any other platform. To do this, simply click on the Add New Reservation button within the reservation dashboard. A modal will appear, prompting you to fill in the details for the new reservation, including table, date and time of the reservation, party size or number of attendees. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click Continue to add the reservation to your dashboard. Moving on, let's explore your inventory management tools. To access these features, click on the Inventory submenu located under the Menu Management section in the left sidebar. This will direct you to your inventory dashboard, where you can monitor current stock levels for all your products, track inventory activities and usage patterns, set up customizable low stock alerts to ensure you never run out of essential items. Adding new products is a simple process. Click on the Product submenu located under the Menu Management section in the left sidebar and then click the Add Product button. Fill in the relevant information for the new product, including product name, detailed description, price per unit. Once you have entered all the necessary details, click Create to add the product to your inventory. Managing your team is a breeze with VenueBoost. Under the Staff Management section in the left sidebar, you can add new team members, assign roles and permissions, and create schedules. Our platform also includes managing time-off requests for your employees and generating payrolls, so you can easily monitor your staff's hours and generate performance reports. Under the Marketing Strategy section in the left sidebar, you can create and manage email or SMS campaigns, promotions, set up automated messaging templates, and track your results. We also offer an AI assistant that helps you create professional content for your campaigns and promotions, ensuring your marketing materials are engaging and effective. To assist you in attracting more customers and growing your venue, VenueBoost provides a range of built-in marketing tools. Finally, let's explore your analytics dashboard. Here, you can gain valuable insights into your venue's performance, such as your net sales, top products, and occupancy rates. VenueBoost provides customizable reports and data visualizations to help you make informed decisions and identify areas for improvement. And there you have it, a quick overview of how to get started with VenueBoost. Of course, there's so much more our platform can do to help you streamline your operations and grow your business. I know that getting started with a new platform can be overwhelming, but I want you to know that the VenueBoost team is here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to check out our knowledge base, video tutorials, or contact our friendly support team.